CompTIA A Core 2 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 4.8 Explain the basics of scripting. The idea of scripting might sound complex, but at its core, it's all about creating scripts, which are small, efficient programs that automate tasks or control other software. A scripting language is a lightweight programming language designed specifically for this purpose, enabling you to craft instructions that your computer can execute step by step. Think of it as teaching your computer to handle those repetitive chores you'd rather not do manually, freeing you up for more important tasks. Now, why bother with scripting? The answer is simple: automation. Imagine having the ability to restart machines across a network without touching a single power button, or remapping network drives with just a few lines of code. Need to install applications on dozens of devices? A script can do that, ensuring consistency and saving time. Automated backups, gathering critical system data, and deploying updates are all common scenarios where scripting becomes your best friend. It's like having a personal assistant who never gets tired, never forgets, and always works with precision. Of course, scripts come in many shapes and sizes, tailored to different operating systems and environments. Windows users will recognize .bat files, perfect for simple command line tasks, or .ps1 files, a PowerShell favorite for managing configurations and gathering data. If you've worked with older systems, you might have encountered .bbs files, though their popularity has decreased over time. On the Linux and Mac OS side, .sh files are the heroes of automation, handling everything from permissions to updates. As for web-based tasks, there's .js, the file extension for JavaScript. And for those who love versatility, .py files bring Python into the mix, capable of everything from automation to data analysis. As you can see, each file type has its own strengths, making scripting language truly adaptable. While scripting is an incredibly powerful tool that can simplify tasks and boost efficiency, it must be used with caution. Running a script, especially one from an unverified source, can unintentionally introduce malware, which may compromise your system by executing harmful actions. Even scripts created with good intentions can cause problems if they are poorly written. For example, a script that isn't properly tested might inadvertently change system configurations, overuse resources like memory or CPU, or even lead to crashes that disrupt operations. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.